No matter who we are, we all share at least one thing in common. We get hungry and we need food. But think about what feeds each and every one of us. Our planet, its biodiversity and its natural systems, fertile soil, water, sun and pollinators. These are basic ingredients of food production. Right now, with a global population of over 7 billion, more than double the number when we first landed on the moon in 1969, it is now more important than ever to think about how we are using or indeed misusing the basics. We have all been alarmed by the findings of the new landmark report by the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services. It highlights that nature is being eroded at rates unprecedented in human history. 1 million species are now threatened with extinction. The fact is that we are undermining the very natural infrastructure on which our modern world and our lives depend. A key driver of biodiversity loss is degradation and loss of natural habitats to farming for food, fuel and timber. Agricultural production is today the largest driver of deforestation and climate change. 60% of all mammals on Earth in terms of biomass are livestock, which are a major source also of greenhouse gas emissions. Unsustainable agricultural practices have led to land degradation on a massive scale, affecting 3.2 billion people. They have forced migration and widened insecurity and exacerbated inequality. In the past 100 years, more than 90% of crop varieties have also disappeared from farmers' fields. The loss of diverse diets is directly linked to diseases and health risks. If we lose the basic ingredients for farming, there is no way to feed the projected 9.8 billion people by the year 2050. Currently, 1/3 of food produced globally actually goes to waste. Extraordinary. So there is no need to cut down more forests to increase food production right now. We need to correct this strange overall situation, but we do have reasons to be hopeful for the future. We have local, indigenous and scientific knowledge which proves that production does not have to mean destruction. We already have many inspiring cases of good agroecological practice. On International Day for Biological Diversity, we have no more excuses for inaction. It is a fantastic opportunity to both spread awareness of the dependency of our food systems, nutrition and health on biodiversity and healthy ecosystems, and on us to act on this knowledge. We have to leverage our massive collective knowledge and show real leadership to properly tackle the biodiversity crisis unfolding before our very own eyes. In this respect, it is very clear that we need to nurture nature and we need to work with nature. Thank you.